Have you ever dreamt of waking up each morning with the freedom to live life on your own terms? In this captivating video, we delve deep into the elusive world of self-made millionaires, uncovering the strategic maneuvers and shrewd financial tactics that pave their path to prosperity. Contrary to popular belief, achieving millionaire status isn't reserved for the lucky few or those born into wealth. It's a journey accessible to anyone willing to adopt the right mindset and implement savvy money management techniques. Set against the backdrop of misconceptions surrounding wealth accumulation, we shatter the myths and empower aspiring millionaires to take charge of their financial destinies. From humble beginnings to extraordinary success stories, self-made millionaires embody the resilience, determination, and unwavering belief in their dreams that propel them forward. Through illuminating interviews and insightful analysis, we offer a roadmap for viewers to navigate their own journey towards financial abundance. Join us as we embark on a transformative exploration of the secrets behind self-made millionaires, unlocking the doors to a world where financial freedom is within reach for those bold enough to seize it. In a world often characterized by financial uncertainty and disparity, the idea of achieving self-made millionaire status can appear as an elusive fantasy. Yet amidst the complexities of wealth acquisition, a select group of individuals stand out, self-made millionaires, who have navigated their way to the pinnacles of prosperity through sheer determination, strategic acumen, and unwavering perseverance. Their journey is not just one of luck or inheritance, but rather a testament to the power of smart money tactics and mindset mastery. In this illuminating exploration, we delve into the closely guarded secrets of these self-made millionaires, uncovering the strategies and principles that have paved their path to success. From cultivating a mindset of abundance and resilience to strategically setting and prioritizing goals, these individuals have mastered the art of wealth creation in a world of endless possibilities. By unveiling these smart money tactics, we aim to empower readers to embark on their own journey towards financial freedom and abundance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or someone just starting out on their wealth-building journey, the insights shared within these pages offer invaluable guidance and inspiration. So join us as we unlock the secrets of self-made millionaires and uncover the keys to unlocking your own pathway to prosperity. Mindset mastery, the foundation of financial success. At the heart of every self-made millionaire's triumph lies a mindset finely tuned for success. This mindset mastery is not merely about positive thinking, but rather a fundamental shift in perception, an unwavering belief in one's potential, and an unyielding commitment to overcoming obstacles on the path to wealth. Mindset mastery begins with the recognition that success is not merely determined by external circumstances, but is profoundly influenced by one's internal state. Self-made millionaires understand the power of their thoughts and beliefs to shape their reality and consciously cultivate a mindset of abundance, resilience, and possibility. By embracing a mindset of abundance, self-made millionaires adopt an outlook that focuses on opportunities rather than limitations. They see setbacks as stepping stones to success and view challenges as opportunities for growth. This mindset of abundance not only fuels their motivation and determination, but also attracts wealth and abundance into their lives. Furthermore, mindset mastery involves cultivating resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks and persevere in the face of adversity. Self-made millionaires understand that failure is not the end, but rather a necessary step on the path to success. They embrace failure as a learning opportunity and use it to fuel their growth and development. Mindset mastery is the cornerstone of financial success. By adopting a mindset of abundance and resilience, self-made millionaires lay the foundation for all other smart money tactics to come, empowering themselves to overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and ultimately achieve their goals. Strategic goal setting, mapping the path to prosperity. Strategic goal setting serves as the compass that guides self-made millionaires on their journey to wealth and success. Unlike vague aspirations or wishful thinking, strategic goal setting involves meticulously crafting clear, specific objectives that serve as roadmaps to their desired destination. Self-made millionaires understand the importance of setting goals that are not only ambitious but also achievable. By breaking down their long-term aspirations into smaller, actionable steps, they create a roadmap that outlines the necessary actions and milestones along the way. These goals are not mere dreams, but rather concrete plans of action that provide clarity and direction. Self-made millionaires are adept at setting smart goals, goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting smart goals, they ensure that their objectives are well-defined and attainable, providing a clear roadmap for success. Strategic goal setting is not just about identifying what needs to be done, but also about prioritizing tasks and allocating resources effectively. Self-made millionaires understand that time and energy are finite resources, and prioritize their efforts on activities that have the greatest impact on their long-term objectives. Strategic goal setting is the cornerstone of financial success. By setting clear, specific goals and pursuing them with determination and focus, self-made millionaires lay the foundation for their prosperity, ensuring that every action brings them closer to their ultimate vision of success. Ruthless prioritization, maximizing efficiency and effectiveness. In the pursuit of financial success, self-made millionaires understand the critical importance of ruthless prioritization. In a world inundated with distractions and competing demands, the ability to focus one's time and energy on high-impact activities is paramount. Ruthless prioritization involves identifying the tasks and activities that will have the greatest impact on one's long-term goals and dedicating the majority of one's resources to them. Self-made millionaires understand that not all tasks are created equal, and that time spent on low-value activities detracts from progress towards their objectives. Self-made millionaires are not afraid to make tough decisions and say no to opportunities that do not align with their priorities. They understand that every yes comes with an opportunity cost and are disciplined in their approach to prioritization. By prioritizing ruthlessly, self-made millionaires maximize their efficiency and effectiveness, ensuring that every action brings them closer to their goals. They focus their time and energy on activities that align with their long-term objectives and have the greatest potential to move the needle on their financial success. Ruthless prioritization is the key to unlocking efficiency and effectiveness on the path to financial freedom. By mastering the art of prioritization, self-made millionaires ensure that they are always working on what matters most and making progress towards their ultimate vision of success. Strategic debt management, leveraging borrowing for growth. Contrary to popular belief, self-made millionaires don't shy away from debt. Instead, they strategically leverage it as a tool for wealth creation. They understand that not all debt is created equal and that judicious borrowing can propel their financial growth. Strategic debt management begins with a clear understanding of the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is used to finance investments with the potential for high returns, such as real estate or business ventures, while bad debt is incurred for non-essential purchases that depreciate in value. Self-made millionaires are meticulous in their approach to borrowing, carefully assessing the potential returns of any investment before taking on debt. They ensure that the income generated from their investments exceeds the cost of borrowing, allowing them to profit from leveraging other people's money. Self-made millionaires are disciplined in their repayment strategies, avoiding excessive leverage that could jeopardize their financial stability. They understand the importance of maintaining a healthy debt-to-income ratio and prioritize paying down high-interest debt to minimize interest expenses. By strategically managing their debt, self-made millionaires are able to accelerate their wealth-building efforts and achieve their financial goals more quickly. They understand that debt can be a powerful tool for wealth creation when used wisely, and they leverage it to amplify their returns and maximize their financial growth. Continuous learning and improvement, staying ahead of the curve. Self-made millionaires recognize that the journey to financial success is not static. It requires ongoing learning and adaptation to stay ahead of the curve. They embrace a mindset of continuous improvement, constantly seeking out new knowledge and skills to enhance their financial acumen. Continuous learning takes many forms for self-made millionaires. They invest in their education through books, courses, seminars, and workshops, seeking out insights and strategies from experts in their field. They also prioritize personal development, working on areas such as mindset, communication, and leadership to become more effective and successful. Self-made millionaires understand the importance of staying informed about changes and developments in their industry. They keep abreast of emerging trends, technological advancements, and market shifts, positioning themselves to capitalize on new opportunities and navigate challenges effectively. In addition to formal education and industry knowledge, self-made millionaires also value the power of mentorship and networking. They seek out mentors and advisors who can provide guidance and support on their journey, leveraging the wisdom and experience of others to accelerate their own growth and success. By embracing a mindset of continuous learning and improvement, self-made millionaires ensure that they are always at the top of their game. They understand that the world is constantly evolving, and by staying ahead of the curve, they position themselves for long-term success and prosperity. Embracing frugality and delayed gratification, building wealth wisely. Self-made millionaires are often characterized by their surprisingly frugal lifestyles. Despite their financial success, they prioritize frugality and delayed gratification, recognizing the importance of wise financial management in building long-term wealth. Frugality, for self-made millionaires, is not about deprivation or penny pinching. It's about making conscious choices about how to allocate resources. They live below their means, avoiding unnecessary expenses and prioritizing investments and experiences that provide lasting value. Self-made millionaires understand the power of delayed gratification, the ability to defer immediate rewards in favor of greater gains in the future. Instead of succumbing to impulsive spending or instant gratification, they exercise patience and discipline, knowing that good things come to those who wait. By embracing frugality and delayed gratification, self-made millionaires maximize their savings rate and accelerate their journey to financial independence. They understand that every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested for future growth, and they prioritize long-term financial security over short-term pleasures. Frugality and delayed gratification are the cornerstones of wise financial management. By embracing these principles, self-made millionaires build wealth steadily and sustainably, ensuring that they are well-positioned for financial success and security in the years to come. Unveiling the pathway to prosperity. The secrets of self-made millionaires are not shrouded in mystery, but rather rooted in timeless principles of mindset mastery and smart money tactics. Through the exploration of mindset mastery, strategic goal setting, ruthless prioritization, strategic debt management, continuous learning, and embracing frugality and delayed gratification, we have uncovered the blueprint for financial success. Self-made millionaires exemplify the power of discipline, determination, and resilience in achieving extraordinary levels of wealth. They understand that success is not a destination but a journey, requiring ongoing growth and adaptation to navigate the complexities of the financial landscape. By adopting the mindset and strategies of self-made millionaires, anyone can unlock their potential for financial success and abundance. Whether you're just starting out on your wealth-building journey or seeking to accelerate your progress towards financial independence, insights shared in this guide offer invaluable guidance and inspiration. For more money-making tips, check out our next video linked above. Don't forget to subscribe for fresh content every week.